Okay, an amino acid supplement, would it go in the eating window or your fasting window? Okay, so it depends. So if we're talking about something like taking tryptophan for cravings or tyrosine or D-phenylalanine for cravings and a free-form amino acid supplement, we may do that in the fasting window. I would put that, if we're using it in the fasting window for the treatment of cravings, I would put that under the kind of training wheels heading. So it's something that we use to help get us to the place where we don't have to use it in the fasting window. Depending on the dosing that you're taking, we're talking about, maybe a gram of amino acids. It may not be enough to throw you out of fasting. So yeah, I would use that like a training wheel.